Hey, what's up, Moto Maniacs? Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, the wildest ride in the world of two wheels. Today, we're diving headfirst into a time capsule, cracking open the throttle on a piece of history, a 1941 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. And guess what? This beast is up for grabs in Sacramento for just $22,500, or best offer if you've got something cool to trade. Let's get into it. So first things first, 1941. We're talking about one of the last knuckleheads before Harley shifted gears for World War II. Back then, these bikes were the kings of the road. With a 61 cubic inch engine putting out 40 horsepower, they were the muscle machines of their day. But hold on, because this ain't just any old knucklehead. This is a vintage warrior reborn with some serious modern muscle. Check out that 93 cubic inch S&S motor under the hood. This baby's got the heart of a lion. You've got the classic knucklehead look, but with the power to blow the socks off anything else on the road. And those rebuilt knuckleheads on top, they're not just for show, they're ready to roar. This is the best of both worlds, folks. Vintage charm with modern performance. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Now, purists might be clutching their pearls, but check out the frame. We're talking a 2014 Darwin rigid frame with a Springer front end. It's got that old school rigid look, but with the toughness and durability of modern engineering. The Springer front end, man, it's like bouncing on nostalgia while keeping your teeth where they belong. This ride's got the vintage vibes with a modern twist that's just too sweet to ignore. And here's where things get even better, a RevTech 6-speed transmission. The original Knucklehead had a 4-speed, but this bad boy's been upgraded. Smooth shifts, better cruising at highway speeds, and you won't be left in the dust when the traffic speeds up. Plus, it's got a BDL belt drive system with a 2-inch Bone Crusher belt. Yeah, you heard that right. Bone Crusher. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement. Tough, mean, and ready to roll. But wait, there's more. No more messing with a Kickstarter. This knucklehead's got an electric start. Hit that button and you're off. No sweat, no hassle, just pure riding pleasure. And with a modern charging system, you're not going to be left stranded on the side of the road, cursing the motorcycle gods. It's all the style of the old days with none of the headaches. What more could you want? And let's not forget about stopping power. This machine's been upgraded with Willwood disc brakes front and rear. Forget those old drum brakes that took forever to bring you to a halt. With these bad boys, you've got modern stopping power to match that modern speed. It's all about control, baby. You want to ride fast, but you also want to stop on a dime, and this bike delivers. So, how much is all this awesomeness going to cost? Just $22,500. For a ride like this, a true blend of vintage and modern, that's a steal. And if you're a deal maker, the seller's open to offers or even a trade. Got something cool? Maybe it's time to strike a deal. Just picture it, cruising down the highway on this beast. Heads turning, people staring, and you, living the dream on a piece of Harley history that rides like a dream. It's not just a bike, it's a freaking legend. So, what are you waiting for? If you're anywhere near Sacramento, get out there and check it out in person. If you're not, well, it's time to make some moves because a ride like this won't stay on the market for long. That's it for today's episode of Moto Market Explorer. If you loved what you saw, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on another wild ride. Until next time, keep it fast, keep it loud, and keep the rubber side down.